Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Vercel team access problem on Vercel in 2026. So if you cannot access your team projects, see permission errors, or get blocked from repositories, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, log into your Vercel account and go to the dashboard. Then check if you're signed into the correct account, because wrong account login is a very common issue. Next, go to the Teams section and make sure you are actually added to the correct team. If you are not listed, you will not be able to access projects. Now ask the team owner or admin to resend your invitation if needed. Sometimes invitations expire or are never fully accepted. Next, check your role permissions inside the team settings. If your role is limited, you may not have access to certain projects or deployments. Now try logging out and logging back in to refresh your session and permissions. Next, clear your browser cache or try using incognito mode, because old session data can block updated team access. Now check if the project is still inside the same team. Sometimes projects get moved to another team or workspace. Next, verify GitHub or external integrations are still connected under the correct team account. Now switch network or device if access is still not working, just to rule out local issues. Finally, reload the dashboard and check if you can now access your team projects properly, and that's it. You've successfully fixed Vercel team access issues. Now your team access should work smoothly without any restrictions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.